Alam mo, may isang bagay na mas pinapahalagahan ko sa ngayon kesa dati. Peace. Yung peace of mind. Yung tahimik na buhay. Hindi mo kailangan mag-explain. Hindi mo kailangan patunayan kung sino ka. Yung hindi mo kailangan sagutin lahat ng naririnig mo. And honestly, I will protect my peace at all cost. Story time tayo. Um, Naalala ko, few weeks or few months after the breakup, um, may nagsabi sa akin, "Uy, sabi nila, lumuluwas ka ng Manila kasi may ka-date ka na daw." Wow! Some people talaga are not thinking, no? Maybe dahil ganun silang klase ng tao, kaya akala nila ikaw din ay ganun. This happened during time na nag-uwian ng mga friends ko ng magkakaibang date and girlfriends. Hi, ako si Ursa. And welcome back po sa the Ursa Diaries. Habang tumatanda tayo, nare-realize natin na hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan nating bigyan ng reaksyon. At yun ang nangyari sa story time na yon. Deadma ako. Deadma ako kasi alam ko kung ano ang totoo. May mga bagay na dati kapag narinig ko gusto kong ipaliwanag, gusto kong sabihin yung side ko, gusto kong itama yung mali sa pagkakaintindi nila. Pero ngayon, sometimes I just think, okay. Pag sinabi mo nga na lumilipad ang elepante, sasabihin ko, oh, okay. Tapos, magmo-move on na ako. Ganun lang, kasimple. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao may opinion tungkol sa'yo, kailangan mong ayusin. At hindi lahat ng kwento tungkol sa'yo, kailangan mong sagutin. May mga tao talagang ginagawang Netflix nga yung buhay mo. They watch, they observe, they discuss, they have opinions. Minsan mas alam pa nga nila yung story mo kahit hindi naman sila kasama sa story. Magugulat ka, may pinagsabihan sila, and may sarili silang story. And before, baka maiinis ako. Pero ngayon, natatawa na lang ako. Kasi naiisip ko, kung gusto nilang manood, hayaan mo silang manood. Pero ikaw, huwag mong kalimutang ikaw ang bida sa sarili mong buhay. Hindi sila. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is you don't have to explain yourself to everyone. Kapag malinis ang intention mo, alam mong malinis ang intention mo, kapag alam mong ginagawa mo yung best mo, kapag alam mong wala kang masamang ginagawa, sometimes that's enough. Hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng buong explanation para maintindihan ka ng lahat. Because the truth is, some people will misunderstand you even when you explained yourself perfectly. At kung ayaw nilang intindihin, that's okay, that's fine. Dati gusto kong manalo sa argument. Ngayon gusto ko nang manalo sa peace of mind. That's the difference. Hindi ko na kailangan magkaroon ng last word. Hindi ko na kailangan patunayan na tama ako. Hindi ko kailangan ipakita na mali sila. Sometimes the most powerful response is silence. Basta alam mo na nasa tama ka. Not because you're weak, but because you know your energy is valuable, diba? And you're finally learning where to spend it. Pero gusto kong linawin, protecting your peace doesn't mean natatakasan mo ang lahat ng problema. Hindi ibig sabihin na kapag may conflict, aalis ka agad. Hindi ibig sabihin na ayaw mo nang makipag-usap. Sometimes, protecting your peace means setting boundaries, saying no, walking away from unnecessary arguments, choosing who gets access to you. Importante yon. Siguraduhin mo yung pagbibigyan mong tao na magkakaroon ng access sa'yo. As we grow older, mas magiging selective o nagiging selective tayo. Not because we're arrogant, but because we finally understand that our energy is limited. Hindi lahat deserve yung access nga sa'yo. Hindi lahat deserve access sa emotion mo. Hindi lahat deserves to know every detail ng buhay mo. That's okay. You can love people without giving them unlimited access to you. You can forgive without allowing them back into your life. And you can wish someone well from a distance. That's called boundary. So, yes, I will protect my peace at all cost. Hindi dahil wala akong pakialam sa ibang tao, pero dahil natutunan kong kailangan ko ring magkaroon ng pakialam sa sarili ko. I've spent enough years trying to understand everyone, trying to keep everyone happy, trying to explain myself, trying to fix everything that weren't mine to fix. Now, I want a quieter life, a peaceful life, a life where I can wake up and not immediately wonder, ano na naman kaya ang sasabihin ng iba? I want to wake up and think, okay ako, safe ako, peaceful ako, at ginagawa ko ang makakaya ko. And that's enough. So if someone talks about you, let them. If someone misunderstands you, let them. If someone doesn't like you, let them. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Some battles don't deserve your energy. Some conversations don't deserve your response. And some people don't deserve access to your peace. So protect it, guard it, choose it. Because at the end of the day, peace is priceless. And this is Ursa. The Ursa Diaries, real stories, real lessons, real beginnings. Tandaan po ulit, every ending is the beginning of a new chapter. See you ulit sa ating next diary entry. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye!